Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see invalid clicks in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, and then you have to simply type in Google Ads in the search bar. And once you type in the Google Ads, you have to go to the first option from here, and once you click on the first option here, we'll get the option of sign in and start now. Just click on the button according to your preferences. After that, it will simply take you to this page like this, and once you click on this page here, we'll get the option of campaigns. Just simply click on the campaigns option from here, and once you click on the campaigns, you have to just simply click on the campaigns again, and here you will get all the campaigns that you are currently running. And from here you can just choose any of this from here. So let's say here you can see that the columns option in the top navigation, where you have to just simply click on the columns option from here. Once you click on the columns option, you will get the option of modify columns. Just simply click on the modify columns again. And once you're in the modify columns for campaigns, you have to just simply expand the all columns from here. And once you click on the all columns, it will simply expand it. After you expand it, here in the performance section, you have to just simply click expand the performance section, and here you have to just simply check the invalid clicks. You have to just simply click on it, and after that you have to just simply click on the apply icon from here. Once you click on the apply icon, it will simply solve the problem of modifying inactive all the invalid clicks that in Google Ads, and you can just simply count it from now. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.